Hello everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Ribbit here. Glad you could join me again. Today we're going to make something special. Definitely Mediterranean inspired. We're going to make spicy kale with sardines. Oh yeah. And you can see how simple the ingredients are here. We got one of my favorite Spanish olive oils, Betis, 100% pure. We're going to season that a little bit with Tsang's Mongolian fire oil. Just a couple drops in there. It's going to give it a little kick. And the feature here is Nuri, spiced sardines in olive oil, a product of Matosinhos, Portugal. And I've had these before because I bought several packs. And they have a slice of cucumber, a couple chilies in there, a slice of carrot, cloves, black pepper, and laurel leaves, which we know as bay leaves. This is good stuff, people, and you can buy it at my favorite online retailer. And we're going to use these in this wonderful recipe. We're also going to utilize 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to season it at the end with lemon. We have some Spanish sea salt from Ibiza, just regular large grained cooking salt. And we've got 1 generous tablespoon of crushed red pepper flakes. And of course, we've got our fresh curly leaf kale, lacinato. Alright, so easy to make. Stick with me and I'll show you how it's done. Right, in a hot skillet, we've been preheating it over medium heat. We'll add some of this Betis olive oil. Not too much, just a couple tablespoons. I'd say that's about right. And couple drops of Tsang's Mongolian fire oil. There you go, just as a seasoning. Okay, let's get that stirred up nicely. You can start to see the oil shimmer a little bit, so it's nice and hot. And to that we're going to add the garlic and the red pepper flakes. And let's start stirring that up over medium heat. And we'll cook that for a minute or so, just until the volatiles start coming out and you can get the flavor. After about 2 minutes, the garlics are just starting to turn a little golden and the smell is delightful. And we're going to add the chopped kale, turn it down a little bit. That's the water from rinsing it, popping it. And we're going to start cooking it down. Okay, it's been a couple minutes, and at this point we're going to season it with a little bit of sea salt here. We're not going to use any black pepper because kale in itself has some black pepper overtones in the flavor. So that'll be about just right. So let's mix that salt in. Okay, now we're going to add the sardines. And you're going to see how beautiful these sardines are, and wow. This is starting to smell good. Yep, the garlic is browning. That's what we want. Here's the beautiful sardines, you can see. And we're just going to put them in there whole. And you can see the carrot, the chili, and the cucumber. And that last little sardine in there. And all that good stuff is going into Let's continue to mix, and this is almost ready. What we're going to do is want to break up the sardines a little bit. We don't want to puree them. And as soon as they're heated through, another 30, 60 seconds, this stuff is ready. This baby is ready. So join me in a moment, and we'll see the final plated picture. Smells fantastic. Okay, and there you have it, deliciousness in a bowl. Now we're going to give it a little squirt of lemon juice for some flavor. We'll pick out that lemon seed and we'll garnish it with a few pita chips. How do you like that? The flavor is absolutely beautiful. The scent, amazing. Okay, there you have it. Can you see that? Beautiful stuff. Deliciousness in a bowl.